Alright, so we're out here in West Texas, Permian basin oil field, trying to make these gains. As you can see, nothing but desert around. Right before a job. So I thought I'd keep it simple. Got me a jump rope here. Good for some cardio, some legs. Here we go with the upper body. Some push-ups, good for your shoulders, chest, triceps. A little bit of core stimulation there. Nice steady straight back. Start hitting them squats right here. Get those gains on the glutes, on the hams. Again, keep it straight back. Now here we go with some dumbbell rows. Standing like a tripod though. Again, good for your back. Your nice lat activation there. Also does a little bit of biceps for you, but you want to concentrate on the lats. Been off work for about a year, so extremely overweight. 6 feet, 254 pounds. 27 years old, and need to start taking care of myself. Start hitting up them lunges again for the legs. Now you can see me struggling there. Did you see me cringe like that? Again, keep it straight back. Always lift with your legs. Bend at your knees. Again, straight back, but now we're doing curls. Gotta get that little bunny going. We're out here looking for gains apart from money. Little side view there, checking myself out. Thought I'd start doing these little updates. This is day 3 for me. Look, see, there you go. I need to get rid of that right there, that gut. That gut hanging out the bottom there, that's gotta go. Also that double chin, you guys see that double chin? You can probably see I'm pretty tired by here. That's what I burned for the day.